Are you using your GPU? A GPU from Intel can run PyTorch. You might have an integrated GPU, a discrete GPU, or a GPU in the cloud by Intel. They can all run PyTorch 2.7 out of the box. Let me show you how. I'll show you three options. First one, get a working Jupyter notebook already set up on the Intel Tiber AI Cloud. Search for Intel Tiber AI Cloud or follow the link below or cloud.intel.com. Here it is. Sign in, learning, notebooks, search for GPU. Here is PyTorch on Intel GPU. We got a notebook, it's running PyTorch 2.7, and here is simple code. Import PyTorch, print the version, and check if XPU is a target device. Run the cell, and yes, we are using PyTorch 2.7 plus XPU version, and the device being used is the XPU. In this case, by default, it's the GPU. And you got here simple code for image classification using PyTorch running on the GPU, and sentiment analysis and transfer learning, and so on. Option number 2, a GPU from the cloud. Catalog, hardware, get a GPU and a GPU, get the machine a name, make sure you have one-click connection, launch, and GPU ready. One-click connect, open a notebook, need to initialize one API to have the compiler and other basic packages. Now, let's go to PyTorch GPU support. We'll leave you the link below. PyTorch 2.6 has also working versions, but I'll go for 2.7. This line is all you need. Run it, get the packages, and let's try to again import Torch, check for versions, and yes, we have the right version, and the XPU, the GPU in this device, is working. Last option, I'd like to run PyTorch on my AI PC. First, make sure you have the latest integrated GPU driver. This could make the difference. I will open a virtual environment for this and activate it. Just make sure PIP is up to date and getting started with Intel GPU. Please make sure your hardware is supported, and this line is all we need. And let's install. It might take a minute, and let's interact with our GPU. Python, import Torch. Do we have an XPU available? Yes, true. How many GPUs do we have? Only one in my laptop. Let's print all the GPU properties. You can see the name, the memory size, number of execution units, and so on. Nice. So just to show you how simple it is, let me run Stable Diffusion on my laptop. Make sure you have access to whatever model you are running. Just copy the code, put it in a file, change the target device to XPU, and you are all set. Run the script. At first, the CPU is making all the preparations or loading the model, if it's the first time you're running, and then the GPU. Make sure you have a strong enough GPU. First, the copy is loading the pipeline, then the compute is performing Stable Diffusion, and we have a capybara holding a sign. So, yes, install PyTorch 2.7. It can run on your integrated or discrete Intel GPU on your laptop, desktop, or the cloud. Subscribe. Thank you.